Okay, today I'm going to do a little repair job on the side light of my 1984 Westfalia. As you can see, that's the old side panel. It's a bit faded from the sun. If you look at this mess, quite a horrendous thing there, all rusted out. Okay, so what I did was I got the new LED kit from Go Westy. This is how it comes. This is all the parts that come with it, the tools you're going to need, Phillips, the handy dandy wire cutter crimper. Okay, these are shrink wrap tubes. Comes with the little clips for the end of the wires and the new screws to screw it on. You notice it's got this little thing on there. You're going to cut that off. You're going to strip back the wire, and you'll do the same over here. You'll just cut that off, strip those wires, and what you're going to want to do is you'll hook up the brown wire to the brown and the white wire to the other wire. Okay, so let me just go ahead and show you what it looks like. Here we go. That's the new side light, and as you can see, hold on, let me get my even with the best laid plans, I still get the storyboard screwed up. All right. Let me just unscrew this real quick. All right. So let me just show you right here. Okay. So you cut the wires, slip the little clips on, press them. Make sure you press them from the start of the wire, from the end here going toward the front of the wire. You don't want your wire getting squished out of there. And then I just used my little torch to heat shrink the seal on there. And here's another little thing. This is no longer needed. Okay, so you can take it off or leave it on. I don't know. If you're an originalist, you might want to keep it for, for whatever. Anyway, there's the new side lights. Bang. I cleaned this up with a little goof off. All right. So, ta-da! Quick fix. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Anyway, peace. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff.